Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max online class Nana. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Yes? Okay Nana. So are you writing the Max CW children? Yes, very good Nana. So watch the video carefully and continue the classwork. So already we started that third chapter HCF and LCM. Okay, did you complete the classwork in previous classwork? Okay Nana. So what we completed in the previous class? So what is meant by divisibility rule? Yes, the process of checking whether a number is divisible by the given number or not without actual division is called the divisibility rule for that number. Okay ma? Tell me once again, the process of checking whether the number is divisible by the given number or not without actual division. Without actual division is called the divisibility rule for that number. Okay Nana? So how can we know whether the number is divisible by the given number or not? Yes, by doing division, if the remainder comes 0, we can say yes, that number is divisible by 2 or 3 or whatever it may be. Okay, but here without actual division, we follow some divisibility rules and we can say that number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 like that. Okay. So in the last class we completed the divisibility by 2. So if a number is divisible by 2, come on tell me. Yes. What is the divisibility by 2? Tell me. Yes, if a number is divisible by 2, only if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So any of these digits in the ones place and that number is divisible by 2. Let us take one example, 458. Is it divisible by 2? How can we check? Yes, we are not doing the division here. Just simply, if you have to check the digit in the ones place. Here 8 is there, so it is divisible by 2. So without actual division, by following the divisibility rules, we can say that the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, here 8 is there in the ones place, so the given number is divisible by 2. Let us take one more example, 301. What is there in the units place? 1. So 1 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so the given number is not divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility by 2? Yes, if a number having any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any of these given digits in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. So this is the divisibility by 2. Already we completed in the previous class. And divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3 means the sum of the digits. Divisibility. So don't write children, this is the revision. Divisibility by 3 means the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of the given number. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3. Then that number is divisible by 3. Let us take one example, 834. Yes, what is the sum of the digits? 8 plus 3 plus 4. 11 plus 4, 15. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. Okay ma, let us take one more example, 107. The sum of the digits is 1 plus 0 plus 7. That is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So this is not divisible by 3. But here 15 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. Okay ma? And what is the divisibility by 6? Tell me children. This also we completed in the previous class. Do you remember it? Tell me. Yes, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that given number is divisible by 6. Let us take one example, 824. Okay, so here 4 is there in the units place, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, but sum of the digits 8 plus 2 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So The given number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So, this is not divisible by 6. Okay, ma? Let us take one more number. $474. Come on, check it. Is it divisible by 6 or not? How can you know, children? Yes, first you check it divisible by 2. Yes, 4 is there in the units place. So, it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. And sum of the digits 4 plus 7 plus 4 equal to 15. Yes, is divisible by 2. So, divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. So, the given number is divisible by 6. Is divisible by 6. Okay, Nana? So, like this we have to check it, ma. Okay. And next, divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 means? Yes, the sum of the digits of the given number. Same rule for the 3. Divisibility by 3, what's the rule, Nana? The sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by the 3, Nana. Here also the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, let us take one number. Okay, check it, Nana, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. That is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. Okay, ma? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. So, the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, ma? 18 is divisible by 9. So, the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, ma? Yes. Now, so up to here we completed in the previous class, Nana. Now, today I am going to explain the divisibility by 5, 10, 4 and 8. Okay. So, my dear children, open your maths classwork, Nana. Open your maths classwork and write next one side heading divisibility by 5. Note down divisibility by 5. Write neatly, Nana. Divisibility by 5. Keep side heading all of you. Divisibility by 5. Okay. Yes, write down the numbers with write along with me, ma. The numbers with 0 or 5 at one's place are divisible by are divisible by 5. Example, 245, 100, 610, 875. See here 5, here 0, here 0, here 5. As these numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, ma? What is the divisibility rule by 5? The numbers with 0 or 5 at one's place are divisible by 5. So, any number, if the one's place 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, ma? So, you have to see that number and see the digit at one's place. If that one's place is 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. Is it clear to you, children? Yes, note down in your classwork, ma. Write neatly in your classwork, children. Okay. Now leave the space and write down check your progress. Check your progress. Can I rub this one? Check your progress. Check your progress. Okay, ma? Yes, what's the first one? Are the numbers 28,570, 90,875 divisible by 5. Verify by actual division also. Verify by actual division also. Okay, Nana? Are the numbers divisible by 5? Verify by actual division also. Solution. First, given numbers 28,570, 90,875. The numbers, there is 0 and 5 in the ones place of the given number. Given numbers. So, yes, what is that, Nana? 0 and 5 in the ones place. There is 0 and 5 in the ones place of the given numbers. So, the given numbers are divisible by given numbers are divisible by 5. Write neatly, ma, in your classwork. Okay, ma? So, what are the given numbers? 28,570, 90,875. Yes, these numbers are having 0 and 5 in the ones place of the given number. So, these numbers, the given numbers are divisible by 5. Write neatly, ma. Now, we have to verify by actual division. Okay. Can I rub this one, Nana? Now, we have to check it. Actual division. So, we write verifying by actual division. Verifying. Now, we are verifying this by actual division. What's the first number? 28,570. Okay. So, write down, ma. Okay. Check it, Nana. First 2 is there in the highest place, so that you take 2 numbers. 5 5 is 25. 2 is not divided by 5. So, you take 2 numbers 28. 28 nearest number is 5 5 is 25. Now, 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Left side 0 has no value. So, that you take down 5. Now 5 sevens are 35. 0, take down 7. 5 ones are 5. 2, take down 0. 5 fours are 20. Yes, we get the remainder 0. So it is divisible by 5. Okay, ma? Next we will check the another number also. Check it, Nana. 9. Yes, we'll take the nearest number. 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Take down 0. 5 eights are 40. 0. Take down 8. 5 ones are 5. 3. Take down 7. 37 nearest number. 5 sevens are 35. 7 minus 5 2. Take down 5. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, ma? We'll get 0. Okay? So these two numbers get the remainder 0. So these are divisible by 5. Okay? So first we follow the divisibility rule by 5 and we have to say whether the given numbers are divisible by 5 or not after verifying that by actual division. Why? Because they are asking the question verify by actual division also. Okay? Let's note down in your classwork neatly. And next, divisibility by 10. My dear children, if you are not complete in time, just pause the video and complete the classwork, then you continue the video. Okay, Nana? Next one. Divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 10, Nana. Now only we completed 5. Now divisibility by 10. So what is the divisibility by 10? Is the numbers with 0 at ones place are divisible by 10. So in before the numbers with 0 or 5 at the ones place, then the given numbers are divisible by 5. But here the numbers with 0 at ones place, numbers with 0 at ones place only. So if that numbers are divisible by 10. Yes, write down, Nana. The numbers, write neatly in the classwork. The numbers with 0 at ones place are divisible by 10. Okay? Let's write down. The numbers with 0 at ones place are divisible by 10. Example. Five thousand 480, 1,000, 9,200, 7,500, 560. See here, 0 is in the ones place. 0, 0, 0. So the given numbers are divisible by 10. Okay, ma? So the numbers which are divisible by 10 and also divisible by both 5 and 2. Why? Because the 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. Okay, Nana? Keep this point in your mind. the numbers which are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 5 and 2. Why? Because 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. Okay. And next one, divisibility by 4. Write down divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Yes, keep that one heading, Nana, all of you. Write down, if the number formed by its last two digits means ones and tens. That is ones and tens. If the number formed by its last two digits, that ones and tens, are divisible by 4, write down. Is divisible, sorry, none are not. If the number only is divisible by 4, then the given number, write down, then the given number is divisible by 4. So if the number formed by its last two digits of the given number, oh I forgot to write of the given number, Nana, sorry. If the number formed by last two digits of the given number, last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Okay, ma? So last two digits, that means ones and tens places. Again I read out, if the number formed by its last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Okay, ma? Let us take one example. The space is not enough for the example, so that you note down neatly up to here. After I will give an example. Okay? So, okay, I will give example here only. 4,532. Okay, Nana? Take this. What are the last two digits? Yes, 32. Yes, 32 is divisible by 4. 4 is the 32. So, it is divisible by 4. And if the zeros are also there in the units place, Nana, zeros are also there in the units and tens places, that is also divisible by 4. Okay, Nana? And next one. Yes, what are the last two digits? 0 and 4. Yes, 0, 4 means 4. 4 is divisible by 4. So, the given number is divisible by 4. Okay? Note down this. If the number formed by its last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. And if the zeros are there in the units and tens places are also divisible by 4, Nana. Okay? Next one, divisibility by, check your progress. We are given check your progress, Nana. Check your progress. It's right neatly, ma. Check whether the number, write neatly, check whether the number $598, $864, $4,782 and $8,976 are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Use divisibility rule. Use divisibility rule and verify by actual division. And verify by actual division. This is the problem, Nana. Note down in your classwork. First one. Solution. First problem. 598. 864. Here these are the given digits, Nana, numbers, Nana. Now we have to check it one by one, whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Okay. Also verify by the actual division. Okay. Yes, right. Last 2 digits of the given number. Last 2 digits equal to 98. Okay, ma, is it divisible by 4? So 98 is not divisible by 4. So the given number is not divisible by 4. Last 2 digits of the given number. $98. So the given number is not divisible by 4. Okay. So how to check, Nana? So the last 2 digits of the given number is equal 98. It is not divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 4? See, once again you check it. 98. 4 2s are 8. 1. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 2 comes. So it is not divisible by 4. So the given number is not divisible by 4. Now we have to check it actual division. Okay, ma? Here only I'll write actual division. So 598. 4 1s are 4. 1. 4 4s are 16. 3. 4 9s are 36. Remainder is 2. Okay, ma? You do the actual division, Nana. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, 19. 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. And take down 8. 4 9s are 36. Remainder is 2. So it's not divisible by 4. Okay. Next one. Can you see the board here, Nana? Here the remainder is 2. Okay, 38 minus 36, remainder is 2. Okay, ma? And next. Second one. I will rub this also, Nana, otherwise you can't see the board. Next number also same like that. Check it, Nana. 800, solution only, 864. Last 2 digits. 64. Okay. 64 is divisible by 4? No. 64 is not divisible by is not divisible by 4. Is it correct? Tell me. Yes. You have to check it. Is not divisible by 4. No. Is this correct? No. It is divisible by 4. See, 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Okay. So, my dear children, you must be in the concentration. 64 is divisible by 4. So, the given number is divisible by 4. Okay. So, actual division. Actual division. My dear children, you don't write this one down, you write side. Okay. But here I am not having the space, that's why I write down. 4 2s are 8, 0, take down 6, 4 1s are 4, 2, take down 4, 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 0. So, this is divisible by 4. Okay, ma? So, you have to check it whether I am writing correct or not. Okay. So, in before I told you, no, 64 is not divisible by 4. Is that correct? No, that is wrong. Already we check it. 64 is divisible by 4. So, the given number is divisible by 4. And we check it by actual division also. Okay, ma? And next one. 4782. Same like that only, Nana. This also. 4782. Last 2 digits. That is 1 sentence. 82. Okay. So, is it divisible by 4, Nana? Tell me correct. 4 2s are 8, but 2 is not divisible by 4. So, 82 is not divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. So, the given number is not divisible by 4. Okay, now we check it. Actual division. Now we check it by actual division. Yes, 4782. Take it, 4 1s are 4, 0, take down 7, 4 1s are 4, 3, 4 9s are 36, 2, take down 2, 4 5s are 20, and the remainder is 2. So, here we didn't get the remainder 0. That means it's not divisible by 4. Okay, ma? So, like this we have to check it whether the number is divisible by 4 or not by using divisibility rule and by doing actual division. Okay, ma? And next, 8976. So, you can do your own, Nana. 8976. Last 2 digits. 76. Yes, 76 is divisible by 4. So, the given number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now, actual division. Four 2s are 8, 0, take down 9, 4 2s are 8, 1, 7, 4 4s are 16, 1, take down 6, 4 4s are 16. Yes, we get the remainder 0. So, it is divisible by 4. Okay, ma? So, like this we have to verify the numbers. Next, divisibility by 8. Note down this, Nana. This is the last one for today's class. Divisibility by 8. Can I rub this one? Divisibility by 8. Okay, a number, write down all of you, a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8 are also zeros on these 3 places, are also zeros on 3 places. So if zeros also there in the 3 places, that is also divisible by 8. Okay, Nana? For example, see 0 0, last 3 digits zeros, so it is divisible by 8. And last 3 digits 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24. So 424 is divisible by 8. So the given number is divisible by 8 and we have to check it. So they are given one problem, leave space and write. Is 76,512 divisible by 8? Divisible by 8 and also checked by actual division. So here this is a problem. Now we have to find. So given number, this one, last 3 digits 512. So check it, Nana. 8 6 are 48, 3 2, 8 4 are 32. Yes, 512 is divisible by 8. So the given number is divisible by 8. Why? Because here we get the remainder 0. Okay, ma? But actual division, we'll check actual division also. 76512. 8 9s are 72, 45, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 3 2, 8 4s are 32. Yes, we get the remainder 0. So by actual division also, this number is divisible by 8. Okay, ma? So like this we have to check by divisibility 8, Nana. Okay. So what we completed up to now? Divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10, divisibility by 4 and divisibility by 8. Okay. So my dear children, you have to learn these divisibility rules. Okay. And write the classwork neatly without mistakes. Tomorrow we will continue the next one, exercise 3.1. Bye children, take care of yourself, ma.